Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Trip. One cup potatoes, onion, tomatoes, capsicum, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon tomato sauce, black pepper, chaat masala, salt to taste, and now give it a mix. Just take one slice of bread and spread a little bit of butter like this. Now take this, spread it, repeat the process. Again the butter. These 2 slices are ready. Now what I'm going to do, just put this cheese on above this and flip it over like this. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.